Welcome back, kids! My name is Teacher Andy, and welcome to Online Learning. For today, we are going to read sight words. Sight words are high-frequency words that may not be able to be pictured, and as such, they simply must be memorized and understood. You recognize them by sight. Are you ready to learn? Let's start! Always, around, because, been. Let's read again. Always, around, because, been. Your turn to read, kids. Great job! Before, best, both, by. Again, before, best, both, by. Your turn to read, kids. Good job! Call, cold, does, doesn't. Let's read again. Call, cold, does, doesn't. Now your turn to read. Good job! Fast, first, 5, found. Let's read again. Fast, first, 5, found. Your turn to read, kids. Good job! Gave, goes, green, it's. Again, gave, goes, green, it's. Try to read, kids. Good job! Made, many, of, or. Again, made, many, of, or. Try to read, kids. Good job. Pull, read, write, sing. Let's read again. Pull, read, write, sing. Now your turn to read. Good job! Sit, sleep, tell, there. Once again, sit, sleep, tell, there. Now your turn. Good job! This, those, upon, us. Once again, this, those, upon, us. Your turn. Good job! Use, very, wash, which. Once again, use, very, wash, which. Now your turn. Good job! Why, wish, work, would. Again, why, wish, work, would. Now your turn to read, kids. Nice try. With, Right? You. Your. Let's read again. With. Right. You. Your. Now your turn to read, kids. Great job, kids! Now that we have learned and read some sight words, don't forget to practice reading and make it a habit. See you in our next videos, kids! Thank you for watching! If you like this video, you may subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. See you in our next videos, kids! Thank you!